This tutorial shows how to customize the appearance and personal settings of GOAT using the function GOAT-MyDefaults. So first open MATLAB and go to the command window and look at the GOAT functions GOAT-MyDefaults. So all of the GOAT functions begin with GOAT underscore, so it's relatively easy to browse through the many functions using the auto-completion tool, and it's also divided into subfolders with underscores, so it's fairly easy to find yourself around GOAT functions. And we're looking for the function GOAT MyDefaults. So this function, this script, does not change when you update the GOAT version, so you can keep your personal settings unchanged whenever you update version. So let me just go through these parameters. Essentially, all of the GOAT information, variables, parameters, flags, and so forth, everything is concentrated in one structure denoted G. So each flag, variable, parameters, and so forth is really a field within this structure. So let me go through these fields. G.pos is just a general position vector for figures. You can control whenever you output a figure to a PDF. You can have some customized page sizes, wide, tall, square, the size of the GUI, and so forth. You can control the exported PDF resolution, the font sizes in relative terms. You can have the biggest font size in the GOAT GUI to be 18 or whatever, and similarly the smallest font size. You can control fonts. In latitude, longitude projections, you can control the shading of continents and similarly of lakes, and the various figures that you see in GOAT, such as the main GUI, export GUI, limits, filter, and settings GUI. You can control the sizes of these figures using these vectors, which I'll show in a minute how to do. Perhaps most importantly, you can set the default folders where data is located. By default, GOAT looks for data within the GOAT/data folder, but you can specify other folders. You can have as many folders as you like, and it follows a pretty simple format. Essentially, it's a cell array of strings where you specify addresses of main data folders, and similarly you can also specify folders of specific data sets using this variable model folder address. You can turn off or on the key press functionality of GOAT. By default it is on, and also add some web links which appear in the GOAT settings menu. So let me show just a brief example of how to customize the GOAT GUI figure size. So for example, if we launch GOAT, this is the default GUI size, and if I want to make it bigger or smaller, for example, I'll make it smaller. Just save this, launch GOAT. This time I'll do it using the quick access shortcut. This is how it would appear, and you can do the same for the other figures. Just a small note on how to make quick access shortcuts. You just right click on a shortcut and you can add this to the quick access toolbar. That's it. Again, this script does not change when GOAT gets updated, so it's a way to keep your personalized settings. And with more advanced use of GOAT, you can add more parameters to this file so as to further customize your use of GOAT.